Welcome to the Boost Your IQ video series. This series demonstrates setup and operation of unique features on the Liquid Controls IQ family of registers. Be sure to follow our YouTube channel and you will be notified as new features are released in this video format. I'm Jeff Hageman, and today I'm going to demonstrate the clearall process to reset the IQ register to factory default settings. Performing a clearall is a simple process you can use anytime you want to set the register back to factory defaults. To begin, we're going to put the register in the calibration mode. Locate the bolt on the side of the register housing and rotate it counterclockwise about 6 turns until the register enters the calibration position. If you have a ticket printer connected, it will print a ticket at this time. If you don't, simply press the Abort Print button. Once you're in the main menu, scroll down to the Setup menu option, then press OK. Then scroll down to Security and press OK again. If you would like to save your configuration before performing the clearall, press the Software Update button and use the Save Configuration option in the Software Update screen. For further information on using the Save and Load Configuration options in the Software Update screen, reference the Boost Your IQ tutorial on Save and Load Configuration. Press the Close button to exit back to the Security menu. Once in the Security menu, scroll down to Reset Register Fields and press OK. This will bring up a list box showing clearall or rebuild. In this case, we will choose clearall, then press OK. Before the clearall process begins, you'll receive a warning screen saying, "Are you sure you want to do the clearall process?" and that all settings will be reverted back to factory defaults, including custom settings. If you're okay with this process, press the Yes button, and this will start the clearall. Once the clearall process is complete, you'll see a new screen that says Success. The clearall operation was successfully completed. To exit the screen, press the OK button. This will bring you back to the security mode. If you saved a configuration before doing the clearall process and you want to reload that configuration back on the register, press the Software Update button and follow the Load Configuration process. At this point, the clearall process is complete and you can now go about programming your IQ register with your appropriate settings. Thank you for watching this episode of Boost Your IQ on performing the clearall process. Should you have any additional questions or concerns regarding the IQ register, please do not hesitate to contact the Liquid Controls Technical Service Department. Thank you.